You're alive on Break Brother. Please do not swear. Does it feel nice?
Feels good.
Rod tip action. Woohoo! Change view. Yes. What do you get that on, Richie?
Nice bottom bait boilie.
With a bag or anything like that?
Tiny little stick.
What, were you sardines?
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Bit windy here today.
Another fish. Another one.
Is it? Right, I'm going to pause this till the fish comes a bit closer.
That's very big enough. It's a wee one. Caught in the bottom there, I couldn't shift it.
Hey! It's on them reeds and that, Richie, there.
Share the camera, Richie.
Yeah.
Yes, mate. Oh,
Caught these branches down here.
yeah, I know. I'll get down again.
How big, Richie?
What you like? It's a 20-pounder. Oh dear.
Them
Nice
look
fish,
good.
now. I've got that, mate.
Richie? Rich. Beans from the gills.
It's just a bit of things. It's not there.
That's what mine was doing.
Yours was worse.
The Wheel of Fortune.
Your fortune says about 21.14.
21.14.
21.14.
21.14.
Yeah.
Hey!
Pristine carp.
20 pounds.
Pretty odd, isn't it?
Good tail. Nice. Later.